I went to use my gift card from Go Mystery Shopping on Friday the 11th at Primark in Manchester. I got there, it was quite packed. It was at around 6 p.m. on the Friday, so just after everyone was finishing work. The shop itself, it's 3 stories, you've got quite a lot to go at there. Any of the staff that I did deal with in there, I've got to say, were really helpful. The queues in itself at the end, though, that was the biggest pain. I was waiting for around 10 minutes altogether, which when I was on a parking meter was quite quite a pain. But yeah, I've got to say, the layout of the shop, everything, it was a good experience, minus having to wait for the queues. The shop itself was a bit untidy in certain areas just because of how busy it is and the footfall, but there was lots of staff on the floor working to keep it clean and also to keep on top of the shelves. So here is what I have bought. This is the receipt here. Don't know if that can be seen there. And then I've got a belt, some jeans, a t-shirt, another t-shirt, a jumper there, some gloves, a swim ring for a holiday, duvet set, jeans, alarm clock, trainer socks, memory foam pillows, bow tie, and a big bag at the end. So yeah, thank you for the opportunity, really appreciated, and like I say, thanks to Primark.